First Nations businesses are key to resolving some of the world's biggest challenges today, and climate change is perhaps the most significant challenge in all of human history. Yet, First Nations people have been dealing with climate change for more than 60,000 years. Cultural burning practices, coupled with natural capital accounting models, are showing how traditional knowledge can solve the most wicked problems we face.
When we look at the state of our environment today, it's not a very nice picture. The pressures on our landscape is based on a modern economy that's destroying our country. And that is contributing to massive problems to our climate, to our landscapes. But not only that, it's also contributing to a fractured society. So today we're doing a burn. And when we look at Indigenous land management over thousands of years, it's always about making our country healthy.
The Aboriginal Carbon Foundation is a not-for-profit. The reason why we do carbon farming is to achieve environmental, social and cultural outcomes. That's why we're doing it. The carbon credit is a byproduct or co-benefit, if you want to use our words.
Indigenous communities are playing an active role in reducing our carbon output globally. And we're starting to see this methodology being looked at from other nations on Earth as well. It's showing innovation in and around this space and showing that there will be opportunities for biodiversity offsets and environmental services, and then that provides communities with another stream of employment.
When we look at the fire that you see is going on here behind, we don't disturb the organic matter in the soils. The fire's cool, and we also burn when the land is also moist, so that we can then put the right heat into the soil, just enough to spark the native grasses again and replace all of this with native grass. So we can then suck the carbon and restore that into the soils.
Aboriginal people used fire, and particularly cool burns, in order to manage country and prevent the huge wildfires that we saw happen over the summer. And I know of a number of Aboriginal entrepreneurs who provide those services. But again, it's costly to start a business, and it's costly to access insurance products that might then help them get that product into the marketplace. And I think that's a huge opportunity that we see happening in the future to enhance the Australian economy and protect all Australians.
What's really important about this is that the fire is only just the beginning. And when we make our country healthy, then we start to open up the doors of opportunity for social enterprise. And that's what it's going to take if we're going to turn around the problems that we have in our environment today. We're going to solve climate change, we're going to solve mass extinction and see improvements in our landscapes. And more importantly, we're going to have a happy society and a healthy culture that's going to be aligned with that.
First Nations businesses are more than just ordinary businesses. We work in partnership with economy, community and country. Healing country together means solving the biggest problems of the 21st century, if not for all of human history.